Welcome to another video from Gradelink Websites. In this video, we'll go through the steps to logging into your website. So the first step is to go to your website. In this case, we're on emmanuelschool.net, and you'll add a / to the end of your website address, emmanuelschool.net / and then type in loginator. Now this login information, including the login URL of your website, is typically sent to you right after the site is launched, along with your username and password. So you can also click in that link from your email and arrive straight at this page. So it's going to be the name of your school site or your domain / loginator. Then you'll get to a login page that looks something like this. From here, you're going to enter your username or email address and your password that was provided to you. Immediately after logging in, you'll be redirected to the website dashboard that looks like this. From there, you'll be able to access a variety of options on the sidebar here, and in order to access the site again, you'll simply need to click on the name of the school in the upper left-hand corner. So it has a little house icon here, so we'll click on that and it will take us to the main site. Now you'll notice, because you're logged in, now you'll see a black toolbar appearing above the website on every page that you click on. So if I go to admission steps, you'll see that black toolbar follows me around. Now that toolbar is not visible to anybody else except to the person who's logged into the website. One last step here, we'll just give a little tip. If you click on Enable Visual Builder while on a page, on the toolbar, it's this purple button right here. On hover, it turns purple, Enable Visual Builder. And if we click on that, you'll then be able to enter the page builder for the particular page that you're on. So the key is going to be to go to the page you want to edit and then click Enable Visual Builder, and from there you'll be able to edit the content on that page. There are only a few exceptions to that rule. For example, faculty and staff page, the content on that page is dynamic and it's pulled from the back end of the site, so you'll want to reference the faculty and staff tutorial videos in our library in order to edit items in the faculty and staff. There may be some other areas on the website that are also dynamic, but for the most part, you're always going to enable Visual Builder on the page that you wish to edit and go from there. To exit, simply click Exit Visual Builder and you're back on the live site. Thanks for watching, and please reach out with any questions to Gradelink Website Support.